In this video, I will teach you how to create a drop-down list in AppSheet. First, go to the website appsheet.com. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click Get Started right here and sign up using your Google account. But if you already have one and you already have an account, you just go ahead and sign in using your Google credentials. Next thing you have to do is to open your Google Sheets and create a new Sheets, in which I have created one. And let's say you want to create a drop down for a field called department. So label a column as department right here. And optionally, you can list the choices on another sheet or in separate column like HR, finance, admin, and IT right here. And so on and so forth. Now going back to the app sheet, you just have to go to the dashboard right here. Now to make a new app, all you have to do is to click on the create button and click on app. You have to click on start with existing data and name your app. Let's say department right here and choose a category that you want to use. Then choose your data. Make sure to select the Google Sheet that you just have created right here and then click on select. AppSheet will now generate a basic app using the data that you have provided on your Google Sheet. Now once your data has been connected, all you have to do is to create the drop-down list. To do that, all you have to do is to go to data, which is on the tab on the left, and then click on the columns that you have. Now all you have to do is to find the column where you want the drop-down to be. For example, the word department, the column here, which is department, all you have to do is to click on the type and look for the drop-down. You just have to click on Enum right here and manually type down or enter the choices like HR, finance right here. You can also allow other values if you want users to enter custom inputs. Once everything is done, you just have to hit on save and the drop-down field works just like expected. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.